in southeast Pennsylvania, including the following county: Bucks. When? Until 11:15 p.m. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details: at 8:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly across portions of the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that may experience flooding include Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Morristown, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, and Sayreville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 56 and 76. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 7 and 13. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 53. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 7 and 42. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 25 and 48. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 120 and 134. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey, issued at 7:08 p.m., Saturday, March 9th. Tonight, southeast winds 25 to 30 knots, becoming southwest 20 to 25 knots after midnight, then becoming west 15 to 20 knots late. Seas 6 to 9 feet. Southeast swell 4 to 9 feet at 7 seconds. Rain until midnight. A slight chance of thunderstorms. A chance of rain after midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles, decreasing to 1 nautical mile or less overnight. Sunday, west winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots, increasing to 25 to 30 knots with gusts up to 40 knots in the afternoon. Seas 5 to 8 feet. Southeast swell 3 to 7 feet at 7 seconds. A slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Sunday night, west winds 25 to 30 knots with gusts up to 40 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet. Northwest swell 2 to 7 feet at 6 seconds. Monday, northwest winds 25 to 35 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Monday night, west winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Northwest swell 2 to 5 feet at 4 seconds. Tuesday, west winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming northwest 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Thursday, southwest winds around 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Winds and seas higher in and near thunderstorms. Here is the area weather summary. Low pressure will continue to impact the region with precipitation tonight before rain tapers off after midnight. High pressure will begin to build in tomorrow, but snow squalls may be possible for some areas during the period. High pressure holds influence over the region Sunday night through Thursday. Next low pressure system looks to impact the region around the time frame of Friday. The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? In Delaware, Newcastle. In New Jersey, Salem. When? Until 4 p.m. Sunday. Impacts: at this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs along tidal waterways. Some roads become impassable. Minor damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Camden, Gloucester, Mercer, and northwestern Burlington, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware, Lower Bucks, and Philadelphia. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? In New Jersey, Mercer, Gloucester, Camden, and northwestern Burlington. In Pennsylvania,